Are you a content creator, digital marketer, blogger, or want to get started with content creation? Then you should know what is best AI content writing tool which can humanize AI text and write SEO friendly content for website and blog in minutes. Keep watching the video, and by the end of it, you should also be able to write SEO content for website and blog like this. Hey folks, Fakir from Development Engineers back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to write SEO friendly content for website and blog in minutes. And for this we will be using best AI content writer, which is SEOWriting.ai. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the AI content writer tutorial and know more about SEOWriting.ai. SEOWriting.ai is the best AI writing tool to generate AI powered content like articles, blog posts, and affiliate content in one click, which is SEO optimized to rank content in search results. It supports more than 48 plus languages and offers to create better content for products to promote them on your Amazon affiliate website or blog. Wow, that's simply insane. Let's give it a try, and for that simply follow the links in the description and pinned comment to visit SEOWriting.ai official website. Now click get started, it's free. From here we can sign up for SEOWriting.ai using Google account, or can also create an account using email. Else, if you already have an account, simply log in using that. Once we are logged in, here we have SEOWriting.ai Dashboard. From here we can generate one-click blog post. The best part is this bulk article generation, which can be used to bulk generate and auto post up to 100 articles in a batch to WordPress in one click. Next we get a Humanizer tool that helps to rewrite articles, enhancing humanization and readability that improves your content Google ranking. First, we can do so much with SEOWriting.ai, but today I wanna show you all how to write SEO friendly content for website and blog. So let's get started to know how to use SEOWriting.ai to create one-click blog post. And for that, here we are back on SEOWriting.ai Dashboard. Now click one-click blog post. This opens SEOWriting.ai blog post generator. Here at top we are required to enter main keyword for our content. Let's create a blog post or article on topic create YouTube channel and earn money. Now let's generate a title for article, and for that click generate a title. Within a few seconds we have a title. Start a YouTube channel, earn money online. Looks nice. Well, we can generate another title if we don't like the current one, and for that simply click generate a title again. Here we have another title, make money on YouTube, start your channel today. This one also looks so nice, but we can generate more to try other keywords. Start your YouTube channel and earn money today. This looks great, we will be using this. Now once we have a title ready, we can move to core settings of the blog or article. Like we can choose language. SEOWriting.ai supports many languages, so we can generate articles in any language we want to. Simply choose one as per your requirement. I am selecting it to be English. Next we can choose article size, which can be X small, small, medium or large. Let's select it to be medium, which will be of 2400 to 3600 words, and there will be 9 to 12 H2 headings. Thereafter we can select tone of voice, which can be friendly, professional, informational, inspirational and more. Let's select it to be professional. Next we get option to choose AI model, which can be GPT-4 mini and GPT-4, Anthropic Claude 3 Haiku, GPT-4 last model, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, GPT-4 128K Turbo or Claude 3 Opus. Let's select the most popular AI model to generate AI text, and that is Claude 3 Haiku. Next we get option to choose point of view, which can be first person singular, first person plural, second person or third person. Selecting it to be second person, as that will be perfect for blog writing. After this, we can select target country. So yes, we can also create content targeting a specific country. Choose one as per your requirement. As I have selected language to be English, I select target country to be United States. Now here is another important option, and that is Humanize text. Yes, we can humanize AI content that we are generating so that it can bypass AI detectors and our content can rank top on Google search. I will recommend you to choose 8th and 9th grade easily understood, as that makes our blog perfect for larger audience, and it is recommended from SEOWriting.ai as well. Thereafter, we can also enter details that we want to include in our article, like phone number or email. Next, in Media Hub, we get option to include media like images and videos in our article. Select number of images, 3 will be perfect. We can select image style, selecting it to be photo. We can also select image size. Let's not change it, as this is perfect for articles. We can also add additional information if we want to, or can also enter brand name here. Well, not only images, we can also include YouTube videos in our article. SEOWriting.ai will choose one video from YouTube as per our topic and include that in generated article. Thereafter, we get SEO section, which is another key aspect for making SEO friendly article for blog and website. Here we can add some specific keywords that we want to include in our article. So let's add few of them, like how to create YouTube channel, how to earn money with YouTube, how to make money with YouTube channel, how to make money with YouTube online. Now this will make sure our article has these keywords. Thereafter, we can also choose if we want to have conclusion, tables, S3, list, italics, quotes, key takeaways, FAQ and bold. Not changing any of these, as we want to include all of them in our blog. We can also use internal linking, and for that we can connect our WordPress website if you have that. SEO writing will help us getting connected with our WordPress website and internal link our different articles. And next, we get option to post our article to different social media platforms from here. We can also publish the article to WordPress, and for that we can select this option from here. And now once we have ready and have selected important checks, we can generate article, and for that let's move to top of the page and now click run. SEOWriting.ai builder will start building an article according to our details and will have it ready within a few seconds only. Once done, here we have the confirmation status done. From here we can view, repeat, download HTML, edit and delete our article. Let's preview this. Wow, this is quite impressive. It also has AI generated images which are related to our topic only. And here we have a YouTube video included to our article. Simply amazing. Let's go through it. This is insane work from SEOWriting.ai. That's how easily you can write SEO friendly content for blog and website using SEOWriting.ai. So if you are a blogger, digital marketer or content writer, then you should try SEOWriting.ai, and I must say it is just like PerplexityAI but for article creation. Now you must ask, is SEOWriting.ai free to use? Well, first we can try it for free, but to use all its features we will require a plan. So now let's talk about SEOWriting.ai pricing plans, and for that here we are back on official website. Now click see pricing. Here we have different pricing plans. You can choose a plan as per your requirement. I will highly recommend you all to try out SEOWriting.ai if you are looking to write SEO friendly and unique content for blog and website. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in description and pinned comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. And today I want to show you all best AI presentation maker in 2024 that helps to generate slides free Today I wanna show you all best free PDF summarizer AI tool that can help you summarize PDF documents with ease.